as minister of the gospel, I proclaim and declare that you, Jason Mark Guevara and Raisa Maureen Rosellon, you are now husband and wife.
It tastes like summer. It sounds like a perfectly harmonious rhythm. It looks like color. It feels like
Mag-best friend kami from 2017. Nung sinagot niya ako, ano naman, sobrang saya syempre. Kasi ako yung first boyfriend niya. Ang daming nanligaw sa kanya pero ako yung sumakses.
this feels like growing up. This feels like two friends falling in love. This feels like two friends. This feels like two friends falling in love. This feels so human. This feels like two friends falling in love. It started with madness.
Lagi kong sinasabi sa'yo, ang ganda mo kahit walang makeup. Ang ganda mo lalo pag bare face ka. Sobrang blessed ko dahil sa araw na ito, pagdilat ng mata ko, ikaw na ang unang makikita habang buhay. Lagi ko nang masasabi sa'yo, I love you.
This feels like growing up. This feels like two kids making it up. This feels like growing up. This feels like
Mali, mali.
this feels like two friends. This feels like two friends falling in love. This feels so human. This feels like two friends falling in love.
To my future wife. Ang pangit na sulat. A timeless piece for the one I want to spend all my time with. Every tick of this watch is a reminder I am yours forever.
I remember praying and telling Lord, aalagaan ko si Maureen, siya ang gusto kong ligawan dahil siya ang gusto kong pakasalan. Walang imposible sa'yo, Lord. Ngayon, nandito na tayo. He established this day. He wrote this moment. This is no longer my plan. This is His will.
We are gathered to witness the union of Jazer and Maureen. Two hearts brought together by dance, bound by love, and strengthened by their faith in the one true God.
Siyempre, masaya. Masaya ako para sa iyo kasi kahit
Thank you sa lahat ng sacrifices mo. Ayun, thank you sa lahat ng pagmamahal and I am who I am today because of you. I love you.
Because of the Lord.
Ano ba yan?
Kaya
Umiiyak agad? Kaya pa nga eh.
When I was hopeless, you were there. When I was broken, you were there. Yeah, you were there.
Growing up as the eldest daughter in an Asian household, we are raised to be a strong, independent woman. Sanay ako na maging malakas para sa iba. I wasn't used to leaning on someone. Kaya nung dumating ka, nashock ako. Kasi ganun pala yung feeling. To have someone look out for you. With you, I don't need to pretend to be strong. Kasi finally, pwede na akong maging mahina.
You were there, and in the
Maureen, I vow to you before God and everyone here, I will love you patiently and I will not give up. I will give my all sa panahong pagod ka. Ako ang sasalo.
You were there when I was hopeless. You were there when I was broken. You were there, and in the trials, you were there, and in the fire, you were there when I was hopeless. You were there when I was broken. You were there, and in the trials, you were there, and in the fire, you were
Ngayon, sabay na natin bubuuin ang tahanan kasama ang taong tinuturing kong tahanan. Ikaw yun, Maureen. With the strength, I will love you.
I am beyond grateful and blessed that you are my life partner, my God's best, and that I get to do this life with you. I love you, babe, forever and always.